question is, if y is equal to 4 to the power log to the base 2 sin x plus 9 to the power log to the base 3 cos x, then find the value of dy by dx. This question asked in MST 2019. Let's see the solution. Consider y is equal to as given in this term. To solve this, here we use one of the logarithmic property as b to the power log a to the base b, it is equal to a. So before using this logarithmic property, we have to rearrange the term. That given that y is equal to this term, using this property we have to first rearrange it. So y is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square and log to the base 2 sin x as it is, plus 9 can be written as 3 square and log to the base 3 cos x can be added. Now here we using another logarithmic property as b into log a can be written as log a to the power b. Here we using this 2 to the log to the base 2 sin x. Here b is 2 and a is sin x. So therefore it is log sin x to the power 2. So sin x whole square can be written as sin square x. Similarly, here we using this property 2 log base 3 cos x. So therefore it is equal to log a to the power b, means log cos x to the power 2, and cos x whole square can be written as cos square x. So it is equal to log to the base 3 cos square x. As we get y is equal to 2 to the power log to the base 2 cos sin square x plus 3 to the power log to the base 3 cos square x. Now we using the for logarithmic property as we written first, b to the power log a base b is a. So here we can see b is 2 and a is sin square x. So therefore 2 to the power log to the base 2 sin square x is a, where a is sin square x. So therefore y is equal to sin square x, plus here b is 3 and a is cos square x. So therefore 3 to the power log to the base 3 cos square x is a, where a is cos square x. So therefore y is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. We know the trigonometric identities, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So therefore y is equal to 1. As we consider y is 4 to the power log to the base 2 sin x plus 9 to the power log to the base 3 cos x, it is equal to 1. So our question is find the value of dy by dx. Here y is equal to 1. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx, we know derivative of constant is 0. So our answer, that is dy by dx, the answer is 0.